अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू एकेडमिक इन्फो। आज हम कवर करेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन टू सोफोकलीज, जो कि एक एंशियंट ग्रीक ट्रेजेडी राइटर थे जिनका एक बहुत फेमस प्ले है एडिपस रेक्स, जिसे एडिपस द किंग भी कहा जाता है। तो चलें शुरू करते हैं। Sophocles is an ancient Greek tragedian who was born in Colonus, a village outside the walls of Athens, Greece. He is one of the three ancient Greek tragic playwrights whose plays have survived and marked the beginning of drama in Western culture. तीन में से एक फेमस प्लेराइट हैं ये। जो बाकी दो फेमस नेम्स हैं उनका भी आपको पता होना चाहिए। एक का नेम है aeschylus एंड दूसरे का यूरिपिडीज। His father was a wealthy manufacturer of armor, therefore he received good education. He studied poetry, music, dancing and gymnastics. And he was chosen to lead the paean, celebrating the decisive Greek sea victory over the Persians at the Battle of Salamis when he was only 16 years old because of his beauty of physique and his skill in music. He wrote 123 dramas in total for the festivals. Since each author who was chosen to enter into competition usually presented 4 plays, this means he must have competed about 30 times. He never received lower than second place in the competitions he entered. Only 7 of his tragedies survive in their entirety, along with 400 lines of a satyr play, numerous fragments of plays now lost, and 90 titles. His best known play is Oedipus the King, as I have already told you in the beginning. He masterfully uses dramatic irony and makes use of heavy foreshadowing. Sophocles wrote his plays following the tradition of Greek tragedy that the play typically take place in one place and one day with one main plot, that is also known as three unities of Aristotle, that is the unity of time, place and action. The element of melody was used by Sophocles to set the tone and mood, to offer background information and opinions, and to reach a general conclusion at the end of the play. Sophocles' language responds flexibly to the dramatic needs of the moment, emotionally intense and perfectly plain and simple. His play Oedipus Rex was written in 429 BC.